Hello everybody and welcome to the Ship Modelers Library. Today I'd like to introduce a book, A History of Seafaring, based on Underwater Archaeology by George Bass. A history of seafaring from its earliest beginnings to the advent of steam power has been treated primarily from the archaeological standpoint. In the opening chapter, Professor Bass discusses the earliest seafarers of the Mediterranean and the Near East. Then follow chapters of Greek, Etruscan, and Phoenician ships and shipping, the Romans on the sea, Greek and Roman harbor works, ships of the Roman period and after in Britain, the Byzantine maritime world, Scandinavian ships up to the time of the Vikings, and the ships of medieval and Renaissance Italy. Later chapters describe the influence of British naval strategy on ship design, the traders and privateers who plied the Atlantic from the end of the 15th century to the middle of the 18th, and how the great waterways opened the New World. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.